let's talk about the traffic light first. So now some examiners will say to you that the second set of traffic light, turn left. So the instruction was second set of traffic light, turn left. Some examiners say to you the next junction of traffic light, turn left. Some examiners say to you that follow the sign M65. All these instructions are crystal clear, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, in those instructions, what do you understand? What the examiner wants you to do? They all have the same meanings, isn't it? What exactly examiner wants you to do?
If he's saying junction, so I will be counting the first junction and the second junction, that this is the junction I'll be taking.
So junction is where 3 to 4 lanes or 2 lanes meet. That's a junction, isn't it? Because you do have got another set of traffic light, which is a Pelican crossing. That's why they say to you the second set of traffic light.
Traffic light, yeah.
But if they want you to use the word junction, then it's a junction of traffic light, you turn left. But what is a common in all this information they're giving to you? What is a common in there? What they're trying to ask you to what to do?
No, same direction, same place we are.
So they
turning.
want you to turn left.
Left, yeah.
Correct? Now as you turn left, we got 2 lanes. So 2 lane A going in the same direction. Yeah?
Yeah.
Let me just there. So did the examiner give you the instruction nice and early that turn left and then turn right? Did they give you that instructions? No. So what examiner was asking you to do, just turn left. Once you have turned left, stay into the left lane. Then straight away the examiner would say to you, next roundabout, say the 4th exit to your right going towards services. And then the examiner wants to see if you are checking your mirrors, signal, and when it's safe to do so, change your lane. Okay, so always remember, people who normally get fails, in my opinion, because they don't listen the instructions examiners are saying. And if you start listening to the instruction being given to you, you will be fine. But if you don't understand, don't be hesitate to ask, can you please repeat? And they will repeat it for you. Does it make sense?
Yeah.